The story of Atlantis has captivated people for centuries. It is a tale of a powerful and advanced civilization that vanished beneath the waves. Was Atlantis real, or is it just a myth? The legend of Atlantis first appeared in the writings of the Greek philosopher Plato. Plato described Atlantis as an island nation located beyond the Pillars of Hercules. This location is often interpreted as the Strait of Gibraltar. Atlantis was said to be a utopia with advanced technology and a powerful military. According to Plato, the Atlanteans became greedy and power-hungry. They posed a threat to the known world. The gods, angered by their arrogance, destroyed Atlantis in a cataclysmic event. The story of Atlantis has inspired countless books, movies, and TV shows. It continues to fascinate and intrigue us today. Plato's dialogues, Timaeus and Critias, provide the most detailed accounts of Atlantis. He describes a powerful empire that existed around 9,000 years before his time. Atlantis, according to Plato, was a technologically advanced society. They possessed skills and knowledge unknown to the people of his time. The city itself was a marvel of engineering, with concentric rings of land and canals. It was adorned with magnificent temples and palaces. Plato's account of Atlantis is vivid and detailed. However, it is important to note that he presented it as a philosophical allegory. He used it to illustrate his views on power, corruption, and the impermanence of civilizations. Despite the allegorical nature of Plato's account, many scholars and explorers have taken it as a historical fact. This has led to numerous attempts to locate the lost city. One of the most popular theories places Atlantis in the Mediterranean Sea. Proponents of this theory point to several pieces of evidence. These include geological formations and ancient ruins that seem to match Plato's descriptions. The volcanic island of Santorini, which was devastated by a massive eruption around 1600 BC, is often cited as a possible location for Atlantis. The eruption of Santorini caused widespread destruction. It triggered tsunamis that devastated coastal settlements in the region. This event could have been the basis for the legend of Atlantis. Another possible location is the island of Crete. Crete was the center of the Minoan civilization. This civilization flourished in the Mediterranean from around 2700 to 1450 BC. The Minoans were skilled seafarers, artists, and architects. They built impressive palaces and developed a sophisticated culture. However, their civilization collapsed abruptly, possibly due to a natural disaster or invasion. As its name suggests, the Atlantic theory places Atlantis in the Atlantic Ocean. Supporters of this theory believe that Plato's description of Atlantis as an island beyond the Pillars of Hercules points to a location in the Atlantic. Some researchers believe that Atlantis may have been located on a now submerged landmass in the Atlantic. They point to geological evidence of past sea level changes and underwater formations that could be remnants of ancient structures. Others suggest that Atlantis may have been located on one of the Azores Islands, a group of volcanic islands in the North Atlantic. The Azores are known for their unique geology and biodiversity. They have been the subject of numerous legends and myths. Section 5. The Antarctic Hypothesis, a frozen civilization. A more recent and, controversial theory suggests that Atlantis may have been located in Antarctica. This theory is actually based on the work of Charles Hapgood. He proposed that the Earth's crust has undergone significant shifts in the past. These shifts, known as Earth crust displacement, could have moved Antarctica from a more temperate location to its current polar position. Proponents of this theory argue that Atlantis may have been a civilization that flourished in Antarctica when it was located in a warmer climate. They point to geological features in Antarctica. These include mountains and valleys that they believe could be the remnants of ancient cities and structures. However, the Antarctic hypothesis is highly speculative. It is not supported by mainstream scientific evidence. Section 6. Scientific evidence, fact or fiction. Despite numerous expeditions and research efforts, no definitive evidence of Atlantis has ever been found. This lack of concrete evidence has led many scientists and archaeologists to dismiss the story of Atlantis as a myth. Critics of the Atlantis theories point out that there is no geological evidence of a large, sunken island in the Atlantic or any other ocean. They also argue that the technological advancements attributed to the Atlanteans are not supported by archaeological findings. While there is no hard proof of Atlantis, some researchers believe that the legend may be based on real events. They suggest that Atlantis could have been inspired by the collapse of a real civilization, such as the Minoans or the Mycenaeans. Natural disasters, such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or tsunamis, could have destroyed these civilizations. This would have left behind only legends and myths. Section 7. The enduring legend Atlantis in popular culture. Despite the lack of scientific evidence, the legend of Atlantis continues to capture the imagination. It has been featured in countless books, movies, TV shows, video games, and other forms of popular culture. The myth of Atlantis has been interpreted and reinterpreted in various ways. It has been portrayed as a utopian society, a technological marvel, a cautionary tale about the dangers of hubris, and a symbol of lost knowledge and wisdom. The enduring fascination with Atlantis speaks to our desire to uncover the mysteries of the past and to explore the possibilities of lost civilizations. Section 8. The search continues. Unraveling the mystery. The search for Atlantis is likely to continue as long as the mystery remains unsolved. Advances in technology such as deep-sea exploration and satellite imagery may one day provide new clues that could shed light on this ancient enigma. While the existence of Atlantis, as described by Plato, is highly improbable, the legend serves as a reminder of the vastness and mystery of our planet. It encourages us to question what we think we know and to remain open to the possibility of discovering new and wondrous things. Section 9. Conclusion. The allure of the unknown. The story of Atlantis, whether a myth or a distant memory of a forgotten civilization, continues to fascinate us. It beckons us to explore the unknown, to question our place in history, and to ponder the possibility of civilizations lost and found. The search for Atlantis is a journey into the depths of our collective imagination. It is a quest for knowledge, for adventure, and for a deeper understanding of our past and ourselves. Even if we never uncover the truth about Atlantis, the search itself can be a rewarding and enlightening experience. The allure of Atlantis lies not just in the possibility of finding a lost city, but in the journey itself, a journey that takes us to the edge of what we know and challenges us to imagine what might be possible.